Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create mesmerizing, mouse-driven animations in Figma using a super handy plugin called Shapelax. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your text and shapes come alive whenever someone moves their mouse, perfect for landing pages, portfolios, or just spicing up prototype interactions. Let's get right into it. So I'm starting here with a basic Figma frame and a text layer. You can use any word or phrase for this. Think about what you'd like to see animated. First things first, click on your text and give it a right click. Now from the menu, select Outline Stroke. What this does is converts your text into individual vector shapes. This is important because Shapelax lets you animate vector layers, not raw text, so we need to break our text apart a little. Don't worry, your original text is still editable if you want to go back, but once outlined, you now have full control over each letter as a shape. Next step, let's stay organized. Go ahead and make a copy of your entire frame with the vectors. This is helpful because you're about to start editing, and you always want a backup in case you want to quickly revert or try something different. Think of it like saving your progress in a video game before you venture into a new area. No shame in playing it safe. Now, with your outline text selected, it's time to start setting up for the animation. Click on the letter D and let's rotate it a little bit. You can use the rotation tool or just hit R on your keyboard and give it a slight spin. Next, do the same for E, then M, and then O, or whatever letters you have. Don't worry about being super precise. A bit of variety makes the animation look more organic and fun. Giving each letter a slightly different angle helps Shapelax create that lively, springy effect when it's time to animate. Once all your letters are rotated to your liking, look towards the bottom center of your Figma window where the action bar is and search for Shapelax. If you don't see it already, make sure you've installed the Shapelax plugin. It's free to start, and we'll talk about the pro options in a bit. Open up the plugin and now select both of your frames, the original and the one with your rotated letters. This tells Shapelax which layers you want to blend between. Inside the plugin, you'll see something pretty cool happen right away. As you move your mouse around, the letters literally come to life, shifting and rotating smoothly in response to your movements. Try moving your mouse in different directions to see how Shapelax interprets it. This is where the magic happens, and suddenly your static text becomes interactive and dynamic. Take a moment here to play around with the smooth and spring settings. Adjusting these changes how fast or fluidly the animation responds to your mouse. If you imagine the difference between a squishy spring and a stiff one, that's what these settings are simulating. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. It's all about finding that sweet spot that matches your design style. When you're happy with how everything moves, you can export your animation or even send it directly back into your Figma site for sharing. Just keep in mind, to access the full set of features and to export advanced interactions, you might need to activate the Shapelax Pro account. There's a free version to start though, so try it out before going all in. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've made your own mouse-driven Figma animation using Shapelax. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into trouble. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss more Figma tricks, creative tutorials, and design hacks in the next videos. Thanks for watching and happy animating.